This Flash USDT you can transfer on Binance, and also you can use it on stake and play bets. Also you can use this Flash on bc.game, and also you can use this for trading on Xnet. So in this video I will show you how you can create Flash USDT. So first go to remix.ethereum.org. Now follow my step, accept it, and first click on create new file, name it usdt.sol, enter, and now go to this code. You can get the code link from the video description. Select all the code and copy all and paste it all here on Remix. Now close it. Now go to Solidity Compiler tab, and you can close the Remix Assistant for better view. Now choose the compiler version 0.8.30 and click on compile usdt.sol. You will get a green check, and now go to deploy and run transaction tab. Now choose the Remix VM browser extension and select MetaMask and unlock your MetaMask wallet. And connect your wallet. Okay, so our wallet is now connected. You need around 0.05 and some extra Ethereum to do all the process. Okay, first go to verify contract on Explorer section and type the token name Tether and the token symbol USDT, and now click on deploy. On max fee field, type 2 and confirm. Confirm the transaction on MetaMask. Alright. So our transaction is complete. That means our contract has been deployed. Now drop down the contract and click on the three dots and open in Explorer. So this is our newly created contract address. Now copy the contract address and go to MetaMask, and now send here 0.05 Ethereum. Click on continue. You can use more Ethereum if you want more USDT. Minimum is 0.03 Ethereum. So our transaction is complete. Alright, let's refresh the page. So our balance is now showing on our contract. Go back to the Remix and click on function. First choose the start function. Now click on transact. Again do the same on max fee field, type 2 and confirm. Confirm the transaction on MetaMask. Alright, so our transaction is complete. Back to home, and now again choose the function withdrawal and click on transact and do the same, type 2 and confirm. Confirm the transaction on MetaMask. This is our final step. So our transaction is complete. So we have done all the process. Now let's check our MetaMask. Awesome. So we have received our Flash USDT in our MetaMask. Now you can transfer it to any exchange or betting site. And if you have any queries, you can contact me on Telegram. Thank you.